All right, we good. What's going on, chat? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody has been doing well. Um, just want to give you guys a quick update. The camera's right here. Want to give you guys a quick update on what's been going on from my past YouTube channel. I said YouTube channel, YouTube video. We did hit that level of 74K, like I said. Uh, got out my shorts a little bit early at 75 ish last night. And then we went in and I seen this. I even seen it on like the total market cap. And I think I deleted it. Yeah, I deleted it. I seen it on the total market cap that we were making a higher low. But I did assume that this was a higher high. Only the fact that why did I consider that a higher high? That's not a higher high. This is a higher low because there was no candle close above it, in which I seen that, and I went in last night. I made a mistake, and I ended up taking a long right here. I ended up taking a long right here, and I ended up getting chopped up, right? And you see, I ended up getting chopped up, and that's my fault. The reason why that's my fault is because I didn't wait for actual indication upward in order for us to tell us that we was going bullish. So again, that's my fault. I didn't use my ICC method. I think I just got in because I really felt that we was going to be bullish, and I got in, but I was wrong. So we took a loss. Then we took another loss. We took two losses. We took another loss here where we thought price was going to make this higher low, in which we had a bullish 1 hour candle, but on a 4 hour it was a lot cleaner. It was showing bearish signs. I just kind of ignored it a bit, which again was my fault. And I wanted price to continue to go up after this, but what happened? We ended up flipping down. And again, I made another mistake by getting in, but this is like my last one because I was like, okay, price is not respecting these levels because it's supposed to respect this level. So I did take a short, another long here again, thinking that price was going to hold this level and start to push back up and respect this higher low that was created. But we ended up pushing down, so I said, let me wait. I waited until we got a because after the reason why I got in this trade was because after we always make an indication downward, we always make a correction upward. So I was like, I'm gonna wait for the correction upward, and I got in really good. I got in here, and if we I got in on the 15-minute time frame, and I seen that a candle was closing. Well, no, I got in on a 5 minute. I got in, so we come to the 5 minute. I seen price had a candle close above here, and then we came back down, and then I got in on the momentum going up with volume around like I think that was around by like 10, 11 o'clock, and I've been holding this trade for a good little minute, and we're waiting for price to go ahead and push above these levels because we've now made our low in the market. I feel like with Bitcoin, I think now is the time to start to push up. Now that we're about to go, it's the first of the month, so I do feel that the rest of this month we will be bullish, and I'm going to give you my outlook on this. So we need price, right? I'm going to delete this. I don't need this. I know what's going on. Price, right? I'm going to delete all these unnecessary stuff so we don't have any misconfusions or anything like that. Even this, I don't need this. All right, so I don't need this either. So for the rest of this month, this is what I'm looking for, right? We're gonna pull a fib. Yes, I'm pulling a fib. We're gonna pull a fib from here to here, from the low to the high. What this lets me know is that we get a projection of where we're gonna go, and this level right here is a very important level that price needs to either hold because under 90K, price either sells or holds. But lately, 90K has been the level where we either sell or hold. So this is a price where the market makes a decision. I'm going to even bring this up because this is what I want. I want to see price start to push above these levels if we're going to say that the bull market is on and the bear market is over. In order for that to happen, these things need to happen. So with ICC, this would be on a longer time frame, right? From here all the way up here, this would be an indication. After we have this indication, we're going to have a correction downward, which may seem drastic. A lot of people are going to think that we're going to go back down a lot lower, but we're not. And we're only just going to test these levels right here where where price made a reaction and start to push back up higher. You feel me? And then this would literally give us that again once we get above. Now once price gets above 90K, this will be support. And now anything above this level will be bullish, and we will be looking for that bullish momentum around February, late February, to see will price either hold or start to push back down. But if price already gave us a bullish indication for this month that say, hey, we've made a new high, this would be considered a new high. This would be considered a new high, and our swing lows will start to get lower and lower, which our higher lows will start to get higher and higher, and our highs will start to get higher and higher, creating that upward trend that we're looking for, so that we can start to take buys. So I hope that makes a lot of sense. That's what I'm looking for. So I am looking for something to kind of happen like this, where we push up, we correct, and we continue to make higher highs. And there may be some chop here because there was chop here in this area. So this is going to be a major. Uh, we will get out of this area, but there will be chop in this area because there's so many sellers here. So price will go on a miniature downtrend only to make that higher low, only for us to push back up, make an indication higher, and to lift off from the reaction levels that we made here. So there will be bullish reaction levels going up. Uh, Likewise, there may be a break of structure going down. You may think like, oh, this is going to be the higher low, but it makes it lower because we need a lower high will be close to the low that we made previous. So you always want to, on those corrections, you want to wait till price comes near the previous lower high so that you can know that, okay, once price starts to create bullish structure after we didn't crash, kind of like what I did right here, that's when you can get in. And you normally wouldn't even get in right there. You would wait till price pushes up, indication, correction, continuation, and allow price to even make another higher low to let you know that, oh, we're good. So this is like your confirmation. This is your indication, and this is the continuation of the trend. So that's what we're looking for the rest of this month. I do believe that crypto will make a big move, a big bull run, but we have to follow market structure. Price is going to tell us what we're going to do. So we're going to continue to keep doing what we've been doing. I've been keeping you guys updated as best as I possibly can. I need to do a little bit more on that. I really do. Oh my god, I need to fix this shit. I'm looking crazy, yo. Crazy for you guys. I've been just like chilling. I don't have any like fresh clothes on. I just been like vibing, yo. I kind of woke up and just like was just chilling. Outside of that, man, just trying to keep your mindset right. You know what I'm saying? Staying motivated, listening to some good music that keeps you pushing, and trying your best to like keep distractions away from you, because your biggest like downside with trading is outside noise. So you want to continue to like try to alleviate that as much as possible and lock in. You know what I'm saying? That's we in a new year, you know what I'm saying? So we got things that we got to do. I know you guys want to accomplish your goals. I want to accomplish my goals. My goal is to make $100,000 to $1 million this year, and I know that's going to be possible. We got it stamped, so things will happen. We're going to continue. We won't never quit. We'll keep you guys updated, and I hope you guys have a rest of your week. Check out my Instagram channel, my Instagram page. It's ish the creator, and you should find me. I have all my trades documented on there. I post before and after. I posted this trade too as well that we took today. Let me scale down. So we took this trade today, right? We took this trade today, and now we're just waiting for price to continue to make higher highs and higher lows and start to attack these highs. So that's what we got going on for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening and a good rest of your week. And by the end of this week, I will give you an update on where price is, especially if price starts to make any big moves up. I'll let you know. If price starts to continue downward, and stop us out and start to go to 70, 60, 67K is what a lot of people has been calling. And this could be a correction back up in order to make a lower high to push back down. So that is something that I am considering and going to keep my eyes on and protect my capital. But other than that, things are looking good. I do expect some bullish momentum to come into the market and start to push price higher. Other than that, that's it. I hope you guys are having a good day.